World Tourism Day is celebrated to highlight the importance of traveling and promoting the respective nations' tourism sector. We can celebrate by organizing special tours and trips for the day. World Tourism Day is celebrated on September 27 every year. Traveling to different destinations help us to relax, detoxify our minds and achieve peace from it. Tourism is a significant income generator for a country's economy. It drives the financial indexes high. Tourism has gained an altogether different high with nation collaborating on innovating efforts like adventure tourism, ecotourism, wellness tourism, others. The United Nations World Tourism Organization UNWTO decided to celebrate September 27 as a World Tourism Day from 1980. It was in the year 1970 that UNWTO decided to endorse three or its tourism-related resolutions officially. These three resolutions were regarded as a breakthrough for the global travel and tourism industry. The main idea behind passing these resolutions was to spread recognizing of the tourism industry in terms of its impact on the country's socio-cultural, geopolitical, economic, and financial factor. In this regard, celebrations usually take place by nominating destinations, countries, or host states every year. Given the festivals, the U and WTO also adopted a scheme of nomination that depends on the global geographical lineage. There are various themes concerned around International Tourism Day. Popular topics that go in with Tourism Day includes employment in the tourism industry. The theme for World Tourism Day 2021 is not decided yet. The year 2020 focus on tourism and rural development. Popular themes include digital innovations in the tourism sector, cultural wings and tourism, trade and developments highlights in the tourism ministry for providing more excellence, cultural knowledge and affiliations with other countries in exchanging interest. Tourism plays a vital role. Agencies and firms affiliated with the travel and tourism sector should respond more responsibility to the changes happening every day around us. A global a globetrotter traveled around the globe yet the yearn to look forward to visiting many more destinations in his different lifetime. Traveling is an experience supported by the tourism industry. Tourism is a study of explorations. It helps us to connect with the our ancient roots. It is a vibrant learning process where a traveler identifies himself amongst a plethora of culture, languages, cuisines, traditions, and lifestyles. It is one of the leading industries in the world. On the economic front, the tourism industry faces its own set of challenges yet has emerged to rake in profit over the years. The tourism sector has undergone a sea change in recent years, all thanks to digital information processing. The tourism department offer packages and caters to all sectors of people under all modes of travel. Every year we can celebrate International Tourism Day in multiple and diverse way of use. Traveling is one of the best way to celebrate the day, be it to the hill stations or adventurous getaway, heritage journey or classical voyages. Excitement lineup up for the day every year. Tour operators could also cast special discounts and offer unique packages to mark the special day. Tourism courses, departments and various educational institutions choose to celebrate the day by organizing travel-themed essays and drawing competitions. We all have to work with one another to build sustainable development goals for the cause. The governments of various states can arrange for individuals working on cities tours. Surprise packages can be planned for the day to discover rare unseen travel destinations, specials, exhibition, on tourism can be held to showcase comprehensive souvenirs and achievements of the tourism sector.